decided to create the short tutorial only to show you how to create a rating control to your apps. So let me start. So sorry if you sometimes my translation is a little bit bad, but I will try to do my best now because this is my first time here to make a tutorial, talking in a tutorial, and I will try to do my best. So let's start. Sometimes it will be a moment that I don't know how to explain this code that I'm creating. So I will show you. So let me show you now the sample here. As you can see, every time when we tap one of the star, appear one plus one or a minus if you go back, or if you go back directly to everything in here, you see. So, and let's start now. Let me close this and let me start a new. Let me call this rating stars. Okay. So let me go here. No, let me go here in storyboard. Let me go here in storyboard. Now I will drop and drop a image. Okay, only to give until the end, until the end. And now here. Okay. Now we drop and drop a bottom. One. Let me delete the text from here, the level. Delete and where's the image here. And now start. Now I will duplicate. No, at first I have to large. Okay, it's good. Now we'll duplicate this 5 times. Now first one. One. 2. 3. 4. Okay. Okay. A little bit. And now okay, now let me select everyone. What is the thing? Team color. Yellow, and now tag. What is the tag? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 5. Okay. Now let's put the image a little bit up. Okay. Super good. And now what we'll do is we will go to the code. No, we will drop and drop label here, a label here, and here in label we will add this null plus 5. Okay, now the color will get the dark gray. Okay, now so, and what we can do now, let me go here and drop one image. Don't give a what. And okay, let me apply the image so that we can have a beautiful view, not only to leave the star like this alone only. So from now, let me aspect of it. Okay, so good. And now let me go in the assistant editor code, and we will drop and drop the image, our button, here, and then here we will say, a rating button. Okay, rating button here, and now we will apply on every image. Number 3, number 4, and number 5. And now, what we can do now, drag and drop here to action, rating tabber. Oh, selector. Okay, now we will do the same here. Control, we will make the same, and so. And now we will drop and draw our text. Here we say count rating. Okay, and now what we can do here, we delete week and we put this our button in an array. Okay, muy bien, sehr gut. So now we will start. Here what we can do is, for btn in rating button, okay, and now if btn dog tag menu equal to sender dog tag. But it doesn't work like this. What we can do is, okay, sender as any object on here dog tag optional. Okay, now and now let me btn dog set image background here. Okay, image select system, we add the star dot fill. Okay, here apply via normal, and now we will make the same by else we only have to copy the same, but our image we change to okay, let's take normal. And now here to apply the rating here, what we can do is here account rating dot text equal to path, and now interpolation, and here interpolation sender as any object sorry, yeah, object dot tag, and we are done. Now we will run our application and we will see if it works. So our app will crash. We will see. We will see what happened. Our app crashed, and why? Okay, I'm glad that you can see, and now I will show you what is the problem. Here, as you can see, use string to description to find explicit. Okay, now what we can do, command description for an optional value. Do you mean to make this explicit? Now here optional, that was the problem. Now let's run our app again. Oh, I forgot something here. Let's run our app again. Poop. Now let's see what happened. Okay, let me go in code, and so everything is good, everything is good, everything is good here. Everything is good. Here too. Here too. Imagine controller. Okay, determination of casting plus a star 1 plus. Okay, let me go here because storyboard has to tell us something. Okay. Okay, this one here. Because we have rating button. Now let's play everything again. Drop and drop. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And now I think we are done. Let me run the app again. I think this was the problem. Now we will see what happens. Normally we have when I click one of the start rating here, we must to have plus one number or a 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now let me go back. 4, 3, 2, 1, and let me go to the last one. Boom. And let me go to the last one, to the first one, to the last one, to the first one, and this is our app, our rating. So you can create your rating control for your app. So, and that was all from this tutorial. I hope you like it. If you could understand my English, this is my first time making a tutorial, talking in a tutorial, and I think I have to practice a little bit. But yeah, I hope you like it, and if you like, don't forget to give a like, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more of the video, let me know in the commentary box. So see you in the next tutorial.